On the private visit of Punjab Chief Minister Chowdhury Provez Elahi, Pakistan Ahmed had the privilege of attending Darbar Baba Farid. Before the arrival of curfew across the city, Punjab Chief Minister Chowdhury Provez Elahi arrived in Pakistan on a private visit. Upon his arrival at Darbar Baba Farid, he was received by Crown Prince Usman Farid Chishti. He prayed for security. On the arrival of the Chief Minister, the district administration forcibly closed hundreds of business centers under the guise of security arrangements 7 hours before the arrival of the Chief Minister. Pilgrims who came to Dargah Baba Farid from Daras were deprived of the privilege of presence. In view of security concerns, the entry of pilgrims to Mazar-e-Sharif was completely closed. Police misbehavior with journalists covering the Chief Minister of Punjab. The protest was postponed after the Chief Minister of Punjab assured strict action against the policemen involved in violence against journalists. Talking to the journalists, Chief Minister Punjab said that strict action will be taken against the police officers who misbehave with the journalists. The Chief Minister Punjab further said that a special fund of 20 rupees crore will be given for the facilities of the city, including Darbar Baba Farid. Chowdhury Provez Elahi, promising to build a journalist colony for journalists, he instructed the Deputy Commissioner to prepare the feasibility for a journalist colony.
साफियों के लिए
बात सुनो ना, आपके जो यहाँ कोई जगह नहीं है जहाँ आपके नींव रात है, जैसे
जगह है
ये हुकूमत की है।
जी हुकूमत की है, पंजाब गवर्नमेंट की है सर।
डीसी साहब के तरह कह दिए, उसका एस्टीमेट लग जाएगा, नया काम भी इंशाल्लाह ताला 6 माह में तो हम मुकम्मल कर देंगे। और यहाँ हम परमानेंट उनके लिए ओवरहेड ब्रिज बना रहे हैं, जो जहाँ पार्किंग है पार्किंग को भी ठीक कर रहे हैं, और ताकि वो वहाँ से आसानी से आए। और जो
क्योंकि साथ बड़ी बदतमीजी कपड़े देखने
उसका मैं एक्शन ले रहा हूँ
सर, वो जो है ना वो ऐसा
पहले से याद है पिछली बार कितना खर्चा होता है सर, जो आप कर सकते हैं सर। एक मिनट सर, एक मिनट अंदर